Me, parang nilamon mo siya ng buo. Hahaha. Gusto ko yun. Ganito yun, ikaw manlalamon. Hindi yung i-overpower ka ng client. Kumbaga, oo ka lang ng oo. Regarding to dun sa recent client na on-board natin last week, may mga nag-comment pa dun, sabi nila, parang ako daw yung client. Parang si client daw yung kinakabahan. So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, hindi ako nag-apply kay client, but instead, I'm offering services. So si client nag-reach out kasi he needed my service. So since ikaw yung magpo-provide ng service, you should lead the conversation. Hindi yung si client yung magli-lead ng conversation. So this client kasi wala siyang alam anything about social media. So kailangan niya ng tao na magmamanage ng CRM niya at gumawa ng landing page. So since you're leading the conversation, that will tell the client that you are an expert, na meron kayong mga bagay na pwedeng isuggest sa kanya that will help their business grow. And when you're offering services, dapat tandaan nyo na don't offer a higher plan agad kay client. So always ask your client a few questions para malaman nyo kung anong plan nga ba yung bagay sa kanila. And since kayo nga yung nag-offer ng service, huwag kayong oo lang ng oo kay client. Be firm, tell them what you can and what you can't do. Always set your client expectations. Mga me, the next time you hop on a discovery call, take charge, ask the right question, and close with confidence. So yun lang mga me. Thanks for watching. Bye!